Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to cook Urad Dal in an Instant Pot. First, let's prepare our dal. Begin by rinsing 1 cup of split Urad Dal under cold, running water. Continue rinsing until the water is completely clear, which usually takes about 3 to 4 washes. Next, soak the dal in 2 to 3 cups of fresh water for at least 30 minutes. This helps reduce cooking time and aids digestion. After soaking, drain the water completely. Now, let's build our flavor base. Add 1 tablespoon of oil or ghee to your Instant Pot and select the sauté function. Once hot, add 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds and let them splutter for about 30 seconds. Then, add 1/2 cup of chopped onion, 1 teaspoon of minced ginger, and 1 teaspoon of minced garlic. Sauté these aromatics for 2 to 3 minutes, stirring occasionally until the onion turns translucent and fragrant. It's time to cook our dal. Add the drained Urad Dal to the Instant Pot, along with 2½ cups of fresh water, 1/2 teaspoon of turmeric powder, and salt to your preference. Give everything a good stir to combine. Secure the Instant Pot lid, ensure the pressure release valve is set to the sealing position, and pressure cook on high for 7 to 12 minutes. After cooking, let the pressure naturally release for 10 minutes, then manually release any remaining pressure. Your delicious Urad Dal is almost ready. Carefully open the Instant Pot lid and give the dal a gentle stir. If the consistency is too thick, you can add a splash of hot water. For an extra burst of flavor, consider preparing a quick tempering with ghee, cumin seeds, and dried red chilies, then pour it over the dal. Finally, garnish with fresh cilantro and serve your warm, comforting Urad Dal with rice or your favorite flatbread. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching, stay juicy, and subscribe.